Hey guys, welcome back. A new incremental OTA update is rolling out for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro users, which is for the beta channel, and this time it's Open Beta 10 for both the devices. The size of the update is 351 MB. The update is rolling out in batches, so it might take some time to receive it on your device. But here I have already received it on my OnePlus 7 Pro via system update section. If you guys haven't received, then download links are given in the description below. Download the complete zip file and place it inside the internal storage. Later you can go to the system update section, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and you should find this zip file which you have placed inside the internal storage. Later you can do a local upgrade. If you are running open beta, then you should receive it via system update section very soon. But for those who are on stable channel, they can anytime do a local upgrade, and migrating from stable version to beta version won't affect your data. So as you can see here, the update size is 351 MB. Let's download and install this update now. After the installation process, you can reboot your device. Device has been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information by going to settings, about phone, and here you can see OxygenOS Open Beta 10. This is my OnePlus 7 Pro. Under Android version is 10. Security patch has been updated to 1st Feb 2020. After this update, launcher version has been updated, which is now 4.3.1. But we have the latest version of OnePlus launcher, which is 4.3.3. Link is given in the description below. You can download manually. There are no new additions done with this latest Open Beta 10. Few improvements have been done related to system, phone and gallery. Talking about the first one under system, which says optimize RAM management. So here they have optimized the RAM management. Now you should be able to use more applications in the background. Next changelog is improved content now live on setting page. So guys, this is, I'm not aware exactly what they're talking about. If you guys are aware, then do let me know in the comment section below. Then they have enhanced the single and double tap performance of ambient display and lock screen. Here they have done few improvements related to single and double tap. After that, they have updated the security patch to 1st Feb 2020, which I have already shown you. So security patch has been updated, and now we have the latest security patch on our OnePlus devices, which is 1st Feb 2020. Next changelog is related to phone app, which says enhance the contact details screen. So few improvements have been done here, and I'm not sure whether cloud services were enabled on the previous update of open beta for the phone application. But after updating to the latest beta, I got this notification to turn on cloud services. So you guys let me know whether this feature was available on the previous update or not. And the last changelog is related to gallery, which says fix the audio and video issues with preloading videos. Generally, I don't keep any offline videos on my gallery, so I'm not sure about this issue of audio and video. But whatever issue was there related to audio and video, that has been fixed with this latest Open Beta 10. So guys, these were the changelogs of latest OxygenOS Open Beta 10 for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 760 and multi-core have scored 2697. And I cannot show you Antutu benchmark results because Google have removed the application from Play Store. So guys, this was all about the latest update for OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. If you still have any kind of questions, do let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.